What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at another falling semiconductor, guys. AMD stock. You already know I have my short play on this. I have been talking about this for quite a few days now, and you are already aware, if you have been following my videos on AMD, that this short play was open and this was the flush I was looking for, and it has been hitting my target one after the other. I'm loving it. I'm loving the journey, guys. I also did this morning video on Nvidia and SMCI already. Check these two videos out, guys. This is happening. This is happening. What I have been calling out for, the flushes are happening in the market, and market is coming down. AMD. So this is what we'll be focusing on, right? Like, look at Nvidia right now. Like, this is a clear-cut flush. Check out my morning video. I'll do another one later today and over the weekends as well. Lot more information, but this is like a sweep, clean. Wallets are cleaned now. Well, I'm sorry, guys, but yep, that's what is happening. Wall Street kept telling everyone to buy, while, you know, technicals were not favoring that, but they were still like, hey, we want to sell out before, you know, all this thing starts to happen, so we gotta make other people buy from us, and that's how they push it up. AMD. If you have been seeing my videos on AMD, right, this video is for AMD, guys, so I'll focus on AMD here. But if you have seen my videos, I was like, I showed you yesterday in my AMD video how analysts are still upgrading AMD stock. Like, they are not stopping, right? They are they are just pushing it up and up and up non-stop, right? Like $270 price target I showed you. There's you know, look at it, upgrade still happening. Cowen adjust from 185 to 200. This is just yesterday. What do you even see this thing going up? I have been saying, guys, technicals are just not showing any upside, and these analysts are just ripping regular traders off of their money because these analysts just want to push it up so that they can sell. It doesn't matter to them. It's your money is not in your, well, your money making is not in their best interest. In their best interest, it's only in their best interest, it's only they making the money, not you. Okay, that's how market works. Money has to flow in and out, right? So how do they make money? Is by you putting in there and they selling, or it's the other way around. If they're short selling it, right, they still need that liquidity, right? And all that stuff that goes around it. So guys, let's focus on AMD technicals here. And what I'm seeing here is that $162 was the place around where I went into this short play, and you can clearly see even today, right now, thing has been just in the downtrend, right? And I was talking about this flush from $162 down to first 151 and then eventually to 200 days moving average is what I have been targeting. Clean, clear-cut play. Now, what we have done today is we have lost $151 as well without showing any consolidation or support there, which means this level is breached and we are now targeting the next level, which in this case is 133, or I'll just put it simply, 200 days moving average is much more of a safer bet on this short play. I'm still carrying my position. I did cover a little bit as per my plan at 151. Some of the short play I did take some profits here, but rest of the position I'm still carrying as per my plan. And as you know, I like to take some money out in the journey, right? Guys, look at Nvidia, 789. At one point it was at 783. Guys, I'm sorry, I got a little bit jump over to Nvidia just to show you the scale of this fall. Look at it. How low did it go today? 783. Wow. Wow. All right, let's go back to AMD. Well, Tesla is doing far better than other stocks today, right? Netflix, I'll show you in another video. Huge money I have been making on Netflix as well on the short side. This thing is today $50 down after their earnings, so wow. Okay, coming back to AMD here, guys. So what I'm seeing, clear downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low. If you're asking me, Junior Trader, but still, can this, if it wants to become bullish, what it has to do? Well, if it has to become bullish, guys, it has to first recapture and close above 151 today, which seems like a very far possibility. It's not happening, period, in my opinion. So we will continue to go lower. There is no bullish sign right now. No, none. This thing can continue to fall next week as well if it wants to. It's very likely this will come down to $136, guys. full downtrend, I have nothing to tell you more than just what I'm already seeing and the place that I have already opened. The technicals were confirming that, and I'm loving this journey. Loving this journey. There is no bullish side on this, guys, right now. I'm sorry. If you end up buying because you heard analysts over last couple of days telling you to buy, not just AMD, Nvidia as well, Morgan Stanley, Raymond James, all these big hedge funds are coming out to buy, tell you to buy. And if you bought that, I'm sorry. I can't help you anywhere. It's your decision, your choice, whatever you do, it's up to you. My videos are only for education purposes, and I'm just sharing what I'm doing in the market, and that's all. Right? You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes, okay? And that's why I say, you got to start learning how to do the trading. If you're just going to listen to analysts, here you go again, losing money again. They're telling you to buy while the price is going down because they want to be also selling. But okay, let's take an example. All these analysts they're coming out with the price upgrades, right? Lately, are they telling you now today, oh guys, we are sorry, this is you should go lower, sell? They're not gonna tell you that because it's in their best interest to make you buy because they want the liquidity. Anyways, I'm not going to go there. I want to stick to the technicals, but I just want to call these things out as well so that you can, keep these things in your mind while making your decisions, right? All right, guys, well, that's all for this video. As I said, check out my morning videos on Nvidia and SMCI that I did. There's a lot that you will learn there. And the things are in the free fall. It's in the free fall. We're going to close this week really in the bears camp. Look at QQ. I have been saying 421 was the target. Then I have been saying the next targets are, level by level, right? And we are still falling. I have been saying we are going to flush right after this distribution phase, and we have been getting that. We can be coming down to 200 days moving average, okay? That's what I'm looking at right now. But the move has already started happening. SPY falling. That's what I have been saying. Get prepared. This is the mark of the top, the distribution phase. Confirmed some of the levels break. This thing is in that flush and the momentum to the downside, guys. All right, guys, trade safe. That's all the updates I have for this video. I'll be doing a lot more videos later as well today and over the weekend. Lot of stuff is coming out, guys. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.